Hello everyone, this is Prince 117005. I just finished watching Ricky Hatton versus Sinchenko fight. It's a sad day for England, for Manchester right now. Ricky Hatton was defeated by Sinchenko by a ninth round KO, TKO. It was caused by right punch to the body, to the liver by Sechenko, which put Ricky Hatton on the canvas in pain, and the referee stopped the fight after reaching the 10 count. So it wasn't a bad fight. The first 4 round I gave Hatton the advantage. Then in the fifth round, I noticed something that would make the difference in the fight. The jab of Sechenko and constant Ricky Hatton put down his hands often. So the right hand of Sechenko somehow had its place on the fight, and then but Ricky Hatton was getting hit a lot in the early rounds, but he was showing that he can take the punch of Sinchenko. There are moments that I see the old Ricky Hatton, but in the later rounds, it was all Sinchenko. Ricky Hatton was all the punches that he was taking from Sinchenko took a toll, and then it affected him. And in the ninth round, it was ended by the right hand body shot by Sinchenko. This was a very disappointing comeback fight for Ricky Hatton. A lot of people is advising that he should not return to the ring after taking a very long layoff. You know, his last fight was with Manny Pacquiao, where he suffered the second round knockout, the devastating second round knockout. So the other day I was reading an article that said Pacquiao saying his opinion about Ricky's comeback. He said that it's not a good idea, after because training, making weights, focusing on the fight, and taking a long layoff, it's very hard to get in form. There are few, but he said that he respect Ricky Hatton's decision, and he wish him luck. There are few fighters that I know that can come back from long layoffs, like Sugar Ray Leonard, Floyd Mayweather Jr. You know, but I just think that this is the end of the career of the Hitman, Ricky Hatton. So good luck to your other profession or other career outside the ring. You've been an entertaining fighter on your fights, and so good luck, and I wish him all the best. This is the end of Ricky Hatton's career. This is Prince 117005 out.